right, y'all. October 14th, nice part. October 14th, deer camp. It's here. It is here. So check out this huge cabin lodge tent that Dakota bought.
Well, the problem was I brought 2 tents and they weren't going to cut it. Like my blow-up mattress took up an entire tent. I was like, yeah, this ain't gonna work. So we got the Shangri-La of tents.
Let me show you this thing. It's huge. It has so it's got a porch. Yeah. And then, my God, this thing is massive. The video doesn't really do it justice, but this thing is like, what do you think that is, Dakota? Like, it's like 10 by 10 at least?
I think it's 12 by 12.
Oh, 12 by 12.
And then the 6-foot deck, so it's like 18 by 12 total with the awning. It's what the description online said.
Yeah, so it's huge. So alright, we got camp set up, fixing to run to the grocery store, get some groceries, and we'll be out in the morning. Oh yeah. Got us.
My diaper.
What would you call that? The old
My diaper.
killing diaper.
Yeah. Killing diaper.
Dakota's going into his spot with his saddle. Got a lot of activity going on back there. And that's gonna blind y'all. And I'm going back to my spot where I actually have a target buck this year, a pretty good target buck. I'm going after him. I'm gonna spend most of this camp trying to get that guy. We'll see how it goes. I'm gonna move some cameras around. I've got to move a camera at my other spot, and if something bigger comes through over there, I'll move over there. But for now, the plan is to hunt this deer hard. What's up, bud?
When I told you I didn't bring my Irish setters?
Oh, got them.
Yeah. I need those because I don't want to sweat my butt off in these damn rubber boots.
Yeah. So yeah, getting the boat loaded. Day 1 deer camp, first sit. We are clayless.
Yeah, we don't have our jolly green.
Yeah, we don't have our brown giant. But he's supposed to be here Sunday, I guess. They're doing ball and stuff, so here we go. Let's get out there.
Usually helps you take the bracket off. I knew I was forgetting something. Further back into the thick stuff, set up on this ridge further back in. I know my big buck is working this ridge, but there's other bucks that are, I gotta be careful because there's other bucks that are kind of similar to him, almost as big as him. I don't want to shoot one of those, so I gotta be real careful. I'm kind of in a tree where I'm not real hit, but the plan is to kind of just watch this morning. I mean, if he presents an opportunity, obviously I'm going to take it. But I brought the hang on so I can hang the stand on and be able to hunt this weekend without climbing the tree and being real loud every time. So after I climb down, I'm going to really kind of pick it apart, see where I really want to get set up and hang the camera. So alright, waiting on sunrise. Let's do it. just had a little bachelor group come through. I almost shot that spike. He ended up darting in the woods chasing that button buck off. That 6 point would not leave. That sucker kept circling and circling and circling. He's finally gone. But he was here a good 15, 20 minutes. Still no sign of target buck though. That's gonna wrap up day one sit. Morning sit. We're probably not gonna go out this evening. It's gonna be way too hot, 92 degrees this evening, so we don't really want to come in and stink up the woods. Probably be back out tomorrow morning depending on the rain moving in and the big front, so we will see y'all shortly.
You know what's super cool about camping? Ants in your bag. Yeah, that's fun. Well, made it to the water, put the boat in, looked at the radar, decided, yeah, we're gonna go. But as you can tell, it's probably a good thing. All right, rain has cleared up, about 12:30. We're about to go hit the woods. We're gonna go into the Dakota spot that is how far away?
It's just like
a good walk. So if we lay something big down, it's gonna be a night for sure.
There'll probably be some bloopers involved in that one.
But yep, time to get back in the woods. We're ready, feeling good about it. Well, me and Dakota didn't have any luck this evening, but look what the cat drug in. Boy, it must be nice. Show up deer camp and just show up. Huh? Everything's done. Just bring your sleeping bag.
I started the fire.
He started a fire, he said. Oh, fair weather hunter. Nah, we giving him a hard time. But anyway, yeah, old Clay boy finally showed up. Sunday evening. We going in the morning though. He gonna make up for it in the morning, he said.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Ain't no doubt about that. We're gonna lay him over.
All right, that's what we're gonna do then.
Remember to hit record.
You're gonna, yeah. He said, yeah, he said he gonna remember to hit record. I definitely forgot to yesterday morning. All right, well, we'll see y'all out there in the morning. We're gonna eat some dinner and get some rest. Be up and at 'em bright and early.
Oh. It's not that extra. It's extra.
You know what I'm talking about.
I have the morning and the night.
All set, baby. Let's rock. Those are good looking too. You get some of it. Something's got to be pushing them around, Clay. All right, all set. 30 degrees this morning. I got in real late. We had to take the boat real slow because of the lake level. But I'm all set. Here we go. We're running out of time. I've got 2 good bucks in here. They're coming to the camera. Should be a good morning. That was a wild morning. Wow, action-packed morning. I almost shot a buck. Almost. I didn't even have time to move the camera around. I was just going to use the Tacticam. As I was about to draw, a doe chased him. And he was already too far at that point. I tried to run him back and he didn't come back. But what an action-packed morning. That was awesome. Hey, we're getting warmer. We're getting warmer. I've definitely found the spot. I've had deer through here all morning. So it's 10 after 11. Wind's starting to pick up quite a bit. I'm going to get out of here before it blows them all out. Try to be back in the stand this evening. Evening sit. Let's do it. Meh. He's down. All right. Yes, 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 yes. He's right there. Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you. He's right there. I watched him fall over, and this stupid pine tree was in the way. But I watched him. I mean, he was getting dizzy and fell down. It was so perfect. Everything was perfect. Oh man. He kind of went past me, and I almost thought he was gonna leave. I was getting pretty disgraced. I thought he was gonna leave. Oh, I can't stop shaking. But I thought he was gonna leave, and for whatever reason, he turned around and came back. I shot him at 12 yards, I think. 14 yards. I shot him at 14 yards. Perfect shot. Oh man. Oh man. Tomorrow's our last morning to hunt. Oh, that's awesome. All right. Well, it's been a little bit. I mean, I know he's dead. I watched him go down, so I'm gonna go ahead and crawl down and start working on getting him to the bank so we can get him out of here. There he is. He's just a young deer, but he's nice. I've been putting in a lot of hard work. I was ready to get the job done. So this guy presented the opportunity and I took it. He's just a young buck, but I'm proud of him. Yep. Thanks, buddy.